Welcome! Ready to unleash your creativity? Let's dive into batch generating pictures with ChatGPT. Batch generation lets you create multiple images in one go, saving you time and effort. Imagine transforming your ideas into visual art without the hassle of repetition. Start by outlining the themes or concepts you want in your images. Clarity is key. Next, formulate specific prompts for ChatGPT that will guide the image generation. Finally, input your prompts and watch as ChatGPT works its magic to create stunning graphics in one shot. With your prompts ready, simply hit generate and let the power of AI do the rest. Review the images. Choose the ones that best fit your vision and refine your prompts if needed. Don't be afraid to experiment. Each iteration brings you closer to your dream artwork. Soon, you'll have a stunning collection of images to share, showcasing your unique style. Embrace the power of technology to elevate your artistic journey and inspire others. Get started today and unlock your full creative potential with ChatGPT.